So after having talked about technology acceptance model, we are changing the research topic now, and where we'll talk about big data and firm performance. So the paper related to this research is published in Information Management and a journal. The title is Big Data and Firm Performance, the Roles of Market-Directed Capabilities and Business Strategy. So the article is available and you can read it. And we will start, as always, with the context and the highlights of this paper. We build on resource-based view and research on big data, the IT business value paradigm, market-directed capabilities theory, and we propose that resource complementarity gives rise to strategic firm asset, and as we refer to as big data resources. Big data resources primarily improve firm performance by enhancing market-directed capabilities of the firm, which is the good news. Marketing is still useful, even if everybody is talking about marketing algorithms. So marketing still creates value with big data, and these beneficial effects are accentuated in firms pursuing a differentiation rather than a cost leadership strategy. So as always in an article or in a research or in your thesis, we start with a management and theoretical context. So why this topic is important from the management point of view? So first of all, let's start about the evolution of data. So 90% of the global data was created in the last 2 years alone at a rate of about 2.5 trillion of bytes of data per day. So it's impressive, exponentially increasing volume of data. It doubles every 6 months. The growth rate is 70% per year. From 2020, where we had 16 trillion of gigabytes, to 25, we had 180 trillion of gigabytes. This data is text data naturally, but also images, IoT data from connected objects, from household appliances, robotic assistants, biometric sensors, real-time behavior purchase data. So all this data is collected and it's growing exponentially. If we take an example of the retail sector, Carrefour, the French retailer, in its more than 12,000 stores, is collecting from more than 100 millions of customers worldwide and hundreds of thousands of SKUs, stock keeping units, a huge amount of data. This big data has to be analyzed in order to create business value from the marketing point of view. And also recent advances in data technologies, better access to information systems, web-based channels such as e- and m-commerce, but also social media, sensors from IoT, videos, audio, loyalty programs offer huge opportunities to generate big data information. From the other side, the vendor market is also evolving very importantly, with growth rates of 40% annually, where the vendor market increased from 2020, $3 billion of US dollars to 50 billion of US dollars in 2020, and in 2021, 160 billion of US dollars, with an annual growth rate of 23%. These big data initiatives offer great potential for improving customer relationship management through highly targeted personalization of products, services, or communications. The industry states that the big data management is differentiating and game-changing and could potentially increase margins by 60%. So on the one hand, we have very positive management statements about this data, or big data, sometimes perhaps even anecdotal. On the other hand, the value potential of big data remains today widely unexploited, as many firms are unsure of how to make use of big data, having no big data analytics resources or capabilities. 50% of retailers consider that abundance of big data might even harm the efficiency. Too much data kills data, or too much information kills information. And firms have investigated in big data analytics might even have negative return on investment. So we see the topic is highly relevant, highly important for management, but also for academia. So what are the research gaps and contributions? Because if the topic is important. Perhaps from the research side, it's not interesting. But that is why we did a literature review, and actually we identified the following research gaps. So despite this importance, despite the data's growing diffusion and potential benefits, academic research about big data efficiency is scarred regarding how big data impact firm performance through customer relationship management, trust, loyalty, engagement, customer experiences, so in short, via marketing, and to which extent big data investments impact firm performance. So these are highly relevant questions from the marketing point of view, but also from the firm performance point of view. That is why the research target of our research is how to examine how the marketing function can achieve competitive advantages by investing in big data resources. And we have two major research questions. The first is how and to which extent big data resources influence marketing capabilities and subsequently business performance. And second, does the business strategy, that is differentiation, so companies on premium market versus cost leadership markets, cost domination, influence the big data resources and subsequently the business impact. These are our two research questions, and we contribute to theory by investigating the impact of big data resources on marketing performance and firm performance by using well-established theories. First of all, we use the resource-based view. Second, we used big data theory. Then the IT business value theory. And finally, marketing-directed capability theories. So four established theories which we use in our conceptual framework. And our main contribution is that this study is the first large-scale empirical study to examine the mechanisms and impact of big data resources, that is the combination of complementary IT resources, human resources, hardware resources, but also cultural firm resources, and the impact of this big data resources on firm performance. Second, we measure the mediations through firm market-directed capabilities, the impact between big data via market-directed capabilities on firm performance. And third, we measure the moderating impact of firms' business strategy, that is, cost leadership versus differentiation, impact the link between big data resources and firm performance.